Hello everyone, welcome back to Archery Math Helper, and today we're going to be doing inter remainders. Okay, and plus we're going to be doing long division. Long division is going to be a huge part in interpret reminders. And by the way, this is 4th grade, so let's get started. Okay, first question. A baker has 33 eggs to use for making cakes. Each cake takes 5 eggs. How many cakes will the baker be able to make? Answer must be a whole number. Okay, so what you can do is how many cakes will they bake? So it's 33 divided by 5. So okay, how long division works is that there's a number here, 3. What you do with that is the 5 is the divisor. So what you first do is 5 divided by 3. So it can you can multiply 5 into anything you want and put that number. Like, so if I wanted to multiply 5 by 6 to make 30, you make 30 like this. Yeah, but that's the actual answer. But you have to put a 6 like that. So 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 goes down here. Okay, so but if you can't go here, so if you can't really do anything here, so since there's a 3, but you can't do any multiple of 5, not even 1, cannot go to 3. So you would put a 0 here. And then you go to 33 now. Now you have 33, not just 3, but 33 now. So this is where the 6 comes in. So you put the 6, and then you see 30. And then 3, and then, but you can't go anymore. You can't go anymore. 5, and there, even if you put 0, there's no number over here. So that's where the reminder comes in. You put R for, capital R for reminder, and then you put 3. So the whole number, answer must be a whole number. You see that? So it can't be a fraction. So the baker can bake, and this is the answer. So the baker can bake 6 cupcakes because 6 is you don't really have to put 06. Even if it's 06, it's 6. Okay, so next. How many eggs remain without being used in a cake? Remain is the same thing as remainder. So that's how you know. That's the key word for you answering it for remainder. Okay. Next question. There are 10 members in the reading club. The club has 31 books to share equally. They give as many books as they can to each member, but they have extras. They divide to see how many books each member gets. So 31 divided by 10, 3 remainder 1. Okay, so that's the question. Okay, so that's the information they give us. So what the question is which of the following describes the remainder in this case. So we have to see if the remainder is the members that will not get a book or the numbers of books